This is insane. I love it. I absolutely love this table. I mean, this desk. Hey guys, for today's video, we're taking a look at this electric standing desk. So let's go ahead and see what they give us. All right guys, you got the nice wood grain here. Got all your pieces and brackets. All the brackets laid out. You just kind of go one by one each piece until you get it finished. Okay guys, I've actually been testing out this desk for, I'm gonna say 2 weeks or so. As you can see, we got it really cluttered. I have to clean off this desk again. With this desk, we were able to put a long monitor riser on it. We have 2 monitors setting on this desk. So here's one, and there's our second monitor, very long. This desk is fantastic. One of the best desks I have used. Very happy with it. It works fantastic. I have no complaints with it. The way I have it set up, I lifted it up to where I wanted it. You guys can do that as well. I of course added my own mats, desk mats, a grounding mat here, just for, yeah. And some different mouse pads and stuff I added on top of this. Make it a little softer. But overall, I am extremely happy with this. I have no complaints at all. The desk is fantastic. This is insane. I love it. I absolutely love this table. I mean, this desk.